Feeling low on energy even after sleeping well and struggling to stay active or finish your workouts? The real reason might not be laziness, it could be your food. What you eat directly affects how your body produces energy and performs throughout the day. Welcome to boostNMove, where we share simple health and fitness tips you can actually follow. In today's video, you'll discover 5 powerful foods that naturally boost energy, improve stamina, and support your fitness journey in a healthy and sustainable way. Let's start with oats. Oats are one of the best natural sources of long-lasting energy because they contain complex carbohydrates and fiber that digest slowly. This gives your body a steady release of fuel instead of sudden spikes and crashes that usually come from sugary foods. Oats also help balance blood sugar levels, which keeps you active and focused for longer periods. They are rich in iron and B vitamins that play an important role in energy production and metabolism. On top of that, oats improve digestion, support gut health, and keep you feeling full, which prevents unnecessary snacking and energy drops. Next are eggs. Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential amino acids that repair and strengthen muscles. Stronger muscles mean better endurance, improved performance, and faster recovery after workouts. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B12, which helps your body convert the food you eat into usable energy. The healthy fats in eggs slow digestion and provide a steady supply of fuel. They also support brain health, improve concentration, and help you stay mentally alert along with physical strength. Now let's talk about bananas. Bananas act as a quick natural energy booster because they are packed with healthy carbs, natural sugars, and potassium. Potassium supports proper muscle function and helps prevent cramps during exercise. Bananas are easy to digest, which makes them a perfect snack before workouts for instant fuel. Moving on to nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds provide concentrated energy in small portions. They are rich in healthy fats, protein, and magnesium, a key mineral that reduces fatigue and improves muscle function. Nuts and seeds also help maintain heart health, improve brain performance, and keep your body fueled for longer periods. Including them as daily snacks can significantly improve stamina and overall strength. Finally, leafy greens like spinach are essential for natural energy. They are loaded with iron and antioxidants that improve oxygen flow in the body. When your body gets enough oxygen, you feel more active and less tired. Leafy greens also support immunity, improve recovery, strengthen muscles, and detoxify the body naturally. Many people feel constantly weak simply because they don't consume enough iron-rich vegetables. By adding these 5 foods into your daily diet, you can naturally increase your energy levels, improve workout performance, stay active longer, and build a healthier lifestyle without depending on artificial energy drinks or supplements. Small changes in food can create big changes in your body and overall fitness.